Hello and welcome to ActivTrades News. China's entire equity market shuttered within half an hour of opening after falling 7% on Thursday after further currency weakness as government rescue efforts failed to deter the tide of sellers. China's stock market meltdown and currency depreciation have spooked international investors in a replay of last summer's rout that reverberated around the globe. And starting on January the 9th, large shareholders will only be allowed to sell a maximum of 1% of their shares over 3 months. They also must disclose stake cutting plans 15 days in advance, with the China Securities Regulatory Commission saying that the new rules should help to stem panic selling. So far this year, just 4 days, the blue chip CSI 300 index is down 12%, while stocks in Asia Pacific fell almost 2% to a 3-month low last week. Brent crude oil slides below $35 for the first time since 2004. Oil's volatile start to the year continued on Wednesday after Brent crude sank below $35 a barrel for the first time since 2004. Bleak January trade sets an uncertain tone for 2016. Now, January anyway can often feel bleak, but after the worst December in 13 years for major European equity indices, investors could have been forgiven for expecting a brighter start to 2016. Such optimism has been shattered inside the first week of trading for the year, as concerns over China and international growth prospects have chilled global equity markets. Looking now at the weekly outlook, and Thursday, January the 14th, sees the BOE Monetary Policy Committee meetings. Now, the BOE's MPC meeting minutes contain the interest rate vote for each MPC member during the most recent meeting, where the breakdown of votes provides insight into which members are changing their stance on interest rates and how close the committee is to enacting a rate change in the future. Then on Friday, January the 15th, is the US core retail sales, which sees the change in the total value of sales at the retail level, excluding, of course, automobiles. The core data is therefore thought to be a better gauge of spending trends. US producer price index also on Friday, a leading indicator of consumer inflation. When producers charge more for goods and services, the higher costs are usually passed on to the consumer. Remember, there's still time to trade share CFDs through ActivTrades with no commission until the 31st of January. Happy trading.